Alright, back to the ball game.
White ball. Hoy, white ball. White ball. Stop.
Okay, back to the ball game. Second quarter. Let's go. Oh, wait lang daw. Alright, second quarter. Let's go. Santiago, miss. Out of bounds. Pass, Rosales. First shot. Cancino. Pass to Espolita. Pass to Bess. See. Espolita. Pull up jumper. Miss. Out of bound. That's a foul. Seven. Espolita block. Rebound ng Kabayanan. Ayun na si Beltran. Binigay. Too strong. Rebound. Pass to Beltran. 4-3. Wala. Rebound by Bessie. Pass to Cancino. Pass to Santiago, Sani. Bounce pass to Espolita. Espolita, no good. Rebound. Espolita to Bessie. What a hook shot for Bessie. 23-21. Tapos na Kiba, bawi sa 3. At may sagot si number 13. Espolita natapikan, out of bound. Crossword pass. Espolita to Bessie. What a hook shot, back-to-back basket for Bessie. Benedict for 3 at may sagot si Rosales. Benedict. Susani. Santiago block. Santiago. Pass to Best. To number 45. Basket yan. 29-25. Babasa. Patang lamang ng Kabayanan. Integrated. Mabawalan sa 3. Wala. Rebound. Makuha Espolita.
Bakit wala?
There's a foul by Benedict. Rosales, Benedict. Nice one. Corsino. Bola. Let's go. Time remaining 6 minutes and 20 seconds. Bola ng Santa Lucia. Elementary School out of bound. Espolita looking for his teammate. Pass to Sunny. Pass to Bessie. 4-3. Oh, in and out. Rebound by Espolita. Espolita spin against the foul by Benedict Rosales. Niluwa eh. Sayang, mantika na yun, Bes. Espolita shooting for 2. First shot is good. Shot for Espolita, miss. Rebound by number 82. Beltran, 4-3. Wala, rebound, makuha. Kabayanan. Integrated School. Number 42, catch and shoot, basket. Open man. Bessie. Corsino, pass to Sunny. To Best. Oh. Best. Nabitawan, out of bounds, save ball. Time remaining 5 minutes and 4 seconds na ating first half. Bola rito ng white shirt. Kick out. Pass to Esteban. Esteban, side step. No good. Rebound. De La Cruz. Uy, wala. Rebound by De La Cruz and gets the foul. Good. $27-30. Steve. It's a foul. Steve running shot, wala, rebound by De La Cruz. Pass number 6 to Roa. Paso. De La Cruz, kick out, number 5. Basket by jersey number 6. Down by 1. 30-29. Steve, pass to Gary. Valdez, sidestep, using the board. Wala. Rebound, makakuha na Kabayanan. Ayun na. Kick out, Steve. Bounce pass. Franco for 3. Franco for 3. At may sagot ang Kabayanan. Roa with the ball. Pass to number 6. Oh. Offensive foul by Roa. Steve, pass to number 6. Number 6, sumantake, binali, wala, rebound. Ayan na ang Santa Lucia, Roa with the ball. 3 against 2, Roa, wala, rebound. Nakabayanan the greatest goal. Steve, nagmamadali. Steve, binigay. Sa Franco, block. Oh! But there's a foul. Three minutes and 1 second. Let's go. Number 6. Pass to Esteban. Back to number 10. Pass to Esteban. Basket is good. Pabasa dalawang laman ng Kabayanan. Integrated. Steve. May tangan ng bola. Top of the key for 3. Oh! What a dagger. 3-point for Steve. Ayan na. Roa. There's a foul by Steve. Shots for Roa, wala. Dalawa pa daw, dalawa pa. First shot for Roa, wala. Second shot. Basket yan for Roa. 32-36, down by 4. Steve. Top of the key for 3. Short. Rebound by Roa. Roa with the ball. Nagmamadali. Binigay. Oh, steal. Oh, steal. By Roa. Roa 4-3. Short. Let's go. Ayan na. Ang Kabayanan. Gary, pull-up jumper, wala, rebound number 11, and gets the foul. Number 6, that is first personal foul. Shot, basket is good. 2 for 2. Pasok ba? Pass Esteban. Esteban. Oh. There's a foul. Tayo. Shooting the line, jersey number 5, Esteban. First shot missed. Second shot for Esteban. Basket for Esteban. Steve. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Fake. Bounce pass. Step Franco. Oh! Nakalusot na naman. 40-33. Oh! That's a penalty. Esteban shooting for 2. Esteban. Wala. Rebound. Makuha niyang Santa Lucia. De La Cruz. Oh, rebound. Steve with the ball. Steve nagpapadali. Derecho. Uy. Foul. Last 52 seconds. Shots for Steve. Shot is good. Second shot, Steve. Wala. Rebound. Noah. Pass number 10. Oh. Number 6. De La Cruz. Kick out. Number 6. 4-3. Wala. Rebound ni Gary. Valdez nagpapadali. 3 against 1. Valdez. Oy. Let's go. Last 27 seconds. Let's go. Oopsie. Ayan na. Mangahas. Brian. No good. De La Cruz with the rebound. Makuha. Good. Pass to Brian. Mangahas. The guy. Number 6. Fake. Floater. Wala. Rebound. Will save with Brian. Uy. Last 8 seconds. 8 seconds na lamang po natitira. Valdez. 6, 5, 4, 3. Valdez, 4-3. Wala. At dito na po nagtatapos sa ating first half. Official score, 41-33. In favor of the Kabayanan Integrated School. At mababalik tayo para sa second half.